Ah, the classic dinner dilemma. What can you make that tastes fresh that doesn't take forever to prepare? I got a bunch of preserved food thanks to my FoodSaver, but I'm thinking we go with this frozen cod. I'll save the pizza for my midnight snack. Let's throw some marinade on these bad boys and have ourselves a seafood night. Then just turn the valve to marinate. Boop. The best thing about this is it only takes 12 minutes, but it tastes like you've been marinating for hours. Next, you cook the fish so it's flaky good. Cod appetit. Since I made extra, I'm going to save it with my FoodSaver. So put the cod in the bag and then put the bag in the drip tray. Select your mode, press vacuum, and then seal it. Ta-da! Hello, leftovers.